everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and I'm a licensed cosmetologist in Maryland. And my channel is basically of two passions of mine. One is making jewelry, right there. Now this one, I didn't make this, but this is on my website, thebeautedjewelstore.com. And the other passion of mine is, I've been a hair and makeup artist since 1983. I work for a lot of companies out there, and they all have great products. So that's the other passion of mine, and I thought I would combine my channel with both of those. So I hope that works out. So we'll see. Okay, so today's video, as you can see, I don't have any lipstick on. Oh, let me backtrack. I am 59 years old and postmenopausal, because that's, the name of my channel, The Hot Years. That's what it refers to. So it's basically geared towards, makeup and skincare, what works for skin in postmenopausal years. Okay, and I also never had any Botox or filler. So, apparently something's working. And that's, the knowledge of the ingredients and, using a ton of products, knowing what works, what doesn't work. So, that is my story. And today's video is going to be on my lipstick routine. Okay, now you might not want to do this when you're getting ready to go out to work, because it's not really time consuming, but it could be, unless you really get it down packed and get it going. So the first thing I recommend for a great lipstick routine, I'm just checking things to see if it's still recording and everything, so don't mind me, because I have a monitor down here where I can see myself. So the first thing in the great lipstick routine is, you want to make sure that you're taking, collagen, because that's going to help plump up your lips, and not to mention your skin and all of that. And my kitty cat's right here. He just sneezed. Oh, you probably heard that. He's looking at me now. He's an all white long hair cat. So anyway, you probably want to take some collagen, because it's definitely going to help plump up your lips and plump up your skin, and it really does. It's one of those things out there that really does work nowadays. I usually put it in my coffee in the morning, and I did do a video on that, on a few great collagens, especially one in particular that I really like, and I'll post, the link below. And the next thing is, if you have a hard time keeping your lipstick on, then this routine is for you. Okay. You can also, if you also have a hard time keeping your lipstick on, and you want to use like regular lipstick, which I really don't use anymore, but sometimes in the winter I do. But if you want to really use the old-fashioned regular lipstick, you can use, to hold that on, which is a big industry secret, it is eyeshadow primer. Okay, so you can use your eyeshadow primer, which I really don't use that either, for your lips. It will really help keep your lipstick on if you have a problem with that. So for a special occasion or whatever, maybe not every day, but that's a big tip. So I don't like to use it on my eyes because it makes them look kind of dry. I haven't found anything yet that is, great. It kind of keeps them kind of dry looking, and it's really difficult to push the eyeshadow around on the eye with it on. So, something to play with and try if you want. So let me get into my lipstick routine, because I have to line my lips, which I was going to do before, but I thought, no, let me just go ahead and do this. So I'm going to pull in my mirror here. Move that out of the way. Hopefully you can still see me. Now, I'm not really going to zoom in on this, because I don't have a remote control for my camera. Now I would have to get up and do that, and I'm in like a new location in my house. So, I don't think, I'm just going to line my lips, and we all know how to do that. Now my lips are crooked, so let's see. I kind of line them a little differently, so I hope you can see this. I kind of start here. I hate lining my lips, because I'm not good at drawing lines. I hate it. and I do it in pieces. So if I try to do it in one big line, it doesn't work. Okay, now there's still a lot I would normally do to this. And just so you know, the liner I'm using is my favorite. It's a Rimmel liner called Cafe au Lait. I love this liner. The color seems to just go with everything, you know, so I really, really like it. And if, you know, most of the time when I go to purchase it, it's always sold out. So when I see it, I get like 3 at a time. Okay, so not sure how that looks on camera. So I'll stop right there before I work and blend this in, and I don't have a brush down here either. Oh well. So, and then I'll show you what I do if I want full lips. I'll line it here. Just blend it in a little. Line it here. Okay, can you see that? And leave that. Don't put any liner in there. Just leave that alone. You can see it already gives you, with nothing on, you kind of get that pout look. And here. And here. And your finger works well because it's warm, so it really makes the, you know, makeup move around really well. So that's my liner. And then what I do is I take, I usually use a powder. Okay, as I said, I don't use traditional lipstick. I'm not sure if you can see, it's called Colourpop. I'm not sure if you can see that. And this is called Drop of a Hat. Okay, and this is a blush. It is Super Shock Cheek Pearlized Blush by Colourpop. I love their products, by the way. And this feels like a really creamy powder, okay? And I just use my finger again. You can use a brush or whatever you want to use. And I just take my finger and I pat it in there. Can you see? Fill in the blanks on your lips. Okay? That cool? And you can use a coordinating, usually I use the same shade blush on my lips. Now the blush I use is by Laura Geller. It's called Pink Grapefruit. This is an awesome, awesome blush. I also have it on my eyes, okay? So I love this. And I usually use this on my lips, but I thought I would use this because this is more of a bronzy, peachy color, and it might stand out more on camera. There you go. Okay, and then you can just go over it with a liner a little bit more if you want. You can fill this in up here a little bit to give you more of that powdery look also, just right in there. But that's it. And if you want to, you can also go ahead and put your regular lipstick on first and then do this over top. That's also a nice look. So, trying to look at my monitor to see what it looks like. It's not great looking. It's kind of quick, I think, and it gives you a lot of color. And then when you eat, most of it stays on. Okay, so I'll wear this throughout the day today, and after I eat, I'll take another picture of it so you can see how it looks. Really hot up here in Maryland today. It is so humid. Oh my goodness. So that's it for my video. And post your comments. Let me know what you think once you try this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment for me so I know that you subscribed. That's it. I hope you like this. I think it looks great. Love it. Okay, take care everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Bye-bye.